Welcome back to my channel, Dezco Morgan. Today, we're diving into the latest version of Google Chrome and its exciting new features. If you haven't updated yet, you might be missing out on some powerful improvements. Let's explore what's new. Segment 1. Introduction to the new version. Chrome Update Animation. Google Chrome remains the most popular web browser, and with every update, it gets even better. The latest version introduces enhancements in speed, security, and productivity. Let's break them down.
Segment 2. Performance Improvements. Speed matters, and this version of Chrome is faster than ever. With improved memory management and better tab handling, web pages load quicker, and your browsing experience becomes smoother. Expect up to 10% faster page loading times. Segment 3. New security features. Line security is a top priority. Chrome now offers enhanced phishing protection, warning you about potential threats in real time. Also, its built-in password manager now suggests stronger passwords and alerts you if any of your saved passwords are compromised. Segment 4. UI and Customization Updates. Demonstration of Chrome's new UI settings. Customization has taken a leap forward. Now, you can personalize your homepage with more layout options and themes. Plus, the new tab grouping feature lets you organize your work efficiently by color-coding related tabs. Segment 5. Productivity Boosters. Demo of Chrome's built-in tools. For those who multitask, Chrome has added a new Read Later feature, allowing you to save articles and web pages for later reading. Plus, the improved search bar gives you instant answers without even opening a new tab.
Segment 6. Developer-friendly enhancements. Code editor and Chrome DevTools in action. Developers will love this update too. Chrome's DevTools now come with better debugging tools, faster JavaScript execution, and improved support for new web technologies. Segment 7. How to update Chrome. Step-by-step tutorial on updating Chrome. Updating is simple. Just go to Settings about Chrome, and if an update is available, click Update and relaunch your browser. It's that easy. Chrome logo and call to action. That wraps up our look at the latest version of Chrome. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Google Chrome. Latest version. Innovations and exciting new features. Google Chrome continues to evolve with the latest update, offering enhanced security, speed, and innovative features to improve user experience. The newest Chrome version brings significant changes designed to meet the needs of modern internet users. 1. Faster and more efficient performance. Chrome now features increased page loading speed and better resource efficiency. Google has optimized RAM usage, ensuring smooth browsing even with multiple tabs open simultaneously. 2. Enhanced Power Saver Mode. The updated Energy Saver feature allows users to conserve battery life by reducing background activity and limiting web page animations when the battery is low. 3. Stronger security measures. The Chrome update includes improvements in malware and phishing detection systems. Chrome now provides better real-time protection against malicious websites and suspicious downloads. 4. Improved tab management. Chrome introduces a more intuitive tab grouping feature. Users can now organize tabs by category and save them for easy reopening later. 5. AI-powered search for more accurate results. Artificial intelligence, AI technology, is now integrated into Chrome to deliver more relevant search results and smarter auto-suggestions when typing in the Omnibox. 6. Better integration with Google Lens. Users can now perform image searches directly from Chrome using Google Lens without switching apps, making visual search experiences more seamless. 7. More optimized. Dark mode. Google has improved Chrome's dark mode to blend more naturally with operating systems, providing a more comfortable experience especially for nighttime use. 8. Smoother multi-device syncing. Syncing between devices has been enhanced, allowing users to switch seamlessly from one device to another without losing tabs or search history. 9. Enhanced privacy controls. Users now have more options to control their personal data, including stricter third-party tracking blocking features. 10. Password leak alerts. Chrome can now notify users if their passwords have been compromised in a global data breach, allowing them to change affected passwords immediately.
11. Safer extension. Usage. Google has tightened security rules for third-party extensions, ensuring that only trusted extensions can be installed to protect users from security threats. 12. More accurate translation. Feature Google Translate in Chrome now uses AI to provide more precise and natural translations across multiple languages. 13. Easier video controls. Chrome now features improved video playback controls, allowing users to adjust speed, modify subtitles, and preview content without opening a full tab. 14. Enhanced offline mode. The offline mode has been upgraded to allow users to save more web pages and read them without an internet connection. 15. Improvements in Chrome DevTools. For web developers, Chrome offers more advanced developer tools with better debugging features and support for the latest web technologies. 16. Support for WebAssembly. Chrome now supports WebAssembly, enabling web-based applications to run faster and more responsively. 17. Improved Web GPU support. The latest Chrome version brings enhancements to Web GPU support, allowing better graphics processing for web-based applications. 18. Upgraded PWA, Progressive Web Apps. Support users can now install progressive web apps more easily and run them like native apps on their devices. 19. Support for AVIF, image format. Chrome now supports the AVIF image format, which offers better image quality with smaller file sizes compared to JPEG or PNG. 20. Smarter notifications. Chrome's notification system is now smarter, allowing users to manage website notifications more efficiently and avoid unwanted interruptions. With all these new features, Google Chrome further strengthens its position as the preferred browser for many users worldwide. This update not only enhances browsing experiences, but also provides better security and efficiency.
Google Chrome just got a major update, and if you're in the UK, USA, or Australia, you're among the first to experience the latest features. The new version focuses on speed, better security, and powerful AI tools integrated right into the browser. Whether you're browsing casually or using Chrome for work, these updates are designed to make everything faster and smarter. One of the biggest highlights is the AI-powered tab organizer. If you tend to open too many tabs, Chrome can now automatically group them based on the content. For example, shopping tabs go in one group, work-related tabs in another. This saves time and keeps things clean, no more hunting through a mess of open pages. The new Chrome Smart Search is also a game changer. When you highlight text, a pop-up will offer definitions, related articles, or quick actions like translation or maps, all without leaving your current tab. It's perfect for quick research or learning on the go. Privacy lovers will appreciate the improved incognito mode. It now blocks more trackers by default and offers clearer controls for cookies and permissions. In regions like the UK and Australia, where privacy regulations are tightening, this is a welcome update. Chrome's performance boost is another behind-the-scenes improvement. Thanks to better memory management and energy optimization, Chrome now runs smoother on laptops and mobiles. This is especially helpful for Aussie users with limited battery during travel or Americans using Chrome on Chromebooks. For those using multiple devices, Chrome's cross-device sync is more seamless than ever. You can now start browsing on your Android or iPhone and instantly continue on your laptop. This is ideal for professionals and students juggling between tablets, phones, and desktops. Another great addition is the Chrome Custom Themes 2.0. You can now create your own browser themes with photos, colors, and even moving backgrounds. It's a small touch, but it makes your browser feel more personal, especially popular with younger audiences in the US and UK. Voice search has also seen a major upgrade. The accuracy and speed of Google Assistant inside Chrome have improved, which is great news for users with accessibility needs or those who just prefer hands-free browsing. Chrome now includes built-in video tools for creators and students. You can screenshot, screen record, or even cast directly from Chrome without third-party extensions. This is super useful for content creators in Australia or students attending virtual classes in the US or UK. To update to the latest version, just go to Settings, then About Chrome, and it will auto-check for updates. It's free, fast, and gives you access to all these new features. If you haven't explored the new Chrome yet, now's the time to experience a smarter, faster browser built for the future.